What up, y'all? It's your girl Talia Janae, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today, the only task that we have is to take down these Christmas decorations, get them in their totes and in their boxes, and get them back in the attic, all in the same day. I take down stuff and it takes me like days. Please tell me I am not the only one. Something about getting up and down on that ladder, I'm like, child, I'm tired. But anyway, if you like this type of content, make sure you keep on watching. I'm about to go in the attic, go get the containers, put all this stuff away, take down the tree, the stuff in the kitchen, and then we'll be done. It's only been like 5 minutes. So I can get it done under an hour. I just have to not get distracted by the alarm. I don't even know if y'all can hear it. Okay, bye, Maddie. Ooh, child. Alright, so this is the attic. I'm like right at the ladder. And that's like some Valentine's Day stuff. This is my Christmas containers. Thanksgiving and fall are behind there. My wreaths go in that red bag. Y'all, why am I out of breath? Like, those are extra containers. I don't know what this brown box is. More sort of like random stuff. You can't even really see. But this is our attic. So, I'm going to take down the Christmas containers and take the Christmas tree box down. I'm not going to put up Valentine's Day stuff until like probably 2 weeks. And then I'll put that stuff up. Because, like I said, today the goal is to only take down Christmas decorations and put them back in the attic. That's it. We got this one day soon. We got this one day soon. One day soon. One day soon. One day soon. So the camera isn't even picking it up, child. But it's super dirty. Let me see if I can zoom in and see if we can get it. There you go. You can see more of it. Look at that. Faux tree everywhere. So, and then there's more stuff I want to do. Like, I really need to dust, but we're not doing any of that. We're just going to vacuum. See some of the glitter and stuff down there. And there's like a trail. It's like all around the house. So, we got a lot of it over here. Because this is where I stacked all the stuff when I was putting it into the containers. So yeah, I'm just gonna vacuum and then we're gonna be done for now. And this is what I'm talking about, the dust, y'all. Look at this. Oh, is it picking up? There we go. Come on. Anyway, you can sort of see it when I'm at an angle. Super dusty. It's child, there's dust all down there too. But we're not doing that. We're just gonna vacuum.
Where I'm in phase, I feel better on the weekend. I feel better on the weekend. Get my life up in the evening. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better.
So here I am, it's New Year's Eve, and I am just getting back from the store. I'm going to start prepping for our New Year's party, which it was only us four. But it was still a party, and we were still turned, because that's what we do in our house. But decorations were very slim pickings, because I waited super duper last minute to find 2022 decorations. But the boys had a ball. We blew up some balloons. We just had a couple banners, and we had a great time. And I hope you all have a great start to your new year. And I hope you enjoy this little vlog at the end of this video about our New Year's. Looks good.
That's good.
Bring it in. Yep, right there.
Right here?
Yep.
The height is fine?
Yes.
So we have silicone holding in this bottom glass in right there, you can see that. So whenever we go to take the glass out, that's going to prevent us from pulling that glass out like we did.
Like your head, then you're gonna sleep, then you're gonna leave, then I'm gonna smack all out your teeth. Then you're gonna think twice before you talk to me.
Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.